What's up? I know it's been quite a while, but I'll get to that shortly. My RAM memory in my PC has actually gone bad, or like it's very laggy when I'm editing. So it's taking like forever to edit anything. As I'm recording this, I haven't even finished editing the last video, which will be up when this comes up, obviously. But yeah, I got some new memory on the way, so it will get back up. What am I talking about? But yeah, I can still edit, it just takes a very long time, so I've become bored since I can make one edit and it takes like 2 minutes for it to actually register. So but yeah, it's coming, its memory's on the way. But in these like 3 months I haven't uploaded anything. I've actually got some stuff done to the car, so let me show you first. So from the last video I have installed a new diffuser, which didn't actually fit correctly. I bought this off of eBay. I had it painted, or I painted it myself, and then it's fully glued on to the bumper. So this shit's not coming off. After that I had some upgraded brakes, so it's some drilled and slotted rollers all around from EBC with yellow stuff pads in the rear. And if I squeeze through here, well, you'll see jack shit. I can show you more later. But in the front are some red stuff, ceramic pads from EBC as well. And then the last but definitely best mod is the tinted windows. So I've got 15% in the back window and 5% in the side mirrors. Side mirrors, windows. What the fuck? So today we're gonna be replacing this ugly ass engine cover slash airbox thingy, since it's obviously sounds like dog, and it's actually broken in multiple places, such as here, and it's a crack on the underside. You'll hear how it sounds right now. Sorry. I saw an open window and I jumped head first. Let's try that again. Sounds terrible, doesn't it? But yeah, what's actually happened here is they have actually snapped one of these clips. I don't even know how somebody actually pulls that off. See, the plastic's broken here and everything. But the sound test I actually did only like a few minutes ago, so we're gonna let the engine cool down a bit since I don't want to burn my hands off. So in the meantime, we'll unbox the brand new intake. So here we actually got a package from Ram Air. So if you just open this up, like so, we got a bunch of stuff in here, such as a bunch of clamps, air filter, pipe, another pipe, some silicone pipes, seals, small heat shield, bracket, big heat shield. Why did I do that? So I'm gonna try speedrunning this, so let's go. Mamma mia. And now I'm gonna be removing this clamp right there. Yay! Good thing I forgot the instructions inside. Now I'm gonna open... You can't see shit. I'm gonna be opening these. This mount's broken, okay. But I'm gonna open the rubber fittings to obviously install the new heat shield. Yes baby, woo! Ah yes. Okay, Volkswagen, Audi, tell me, why was this a good idea? I don't. For some reason, I spent forever installing one singular bracket, so I just time-lapsed this part. Well, you kind of get the picture. Yes? No? Well, okay. Okay, so I actually ran out of battery, so I'll record the rest of this video on my phone. I can't really record it with two hands, but we essentially want to get this bracket like this. Yeah, I'm gonna do it now. At least we're getting somewhere. Okay, next step is get this. Why is it flickering so much? Oh wait, yes, I need to tighten the heat shield now. Almost forgot. There we go. Now everything focus. Okay, now everything is sturdy, very nice. Now we got to get this little shit. Okay, so I've put this together like this with a nut. Nuts and bolts, yeah. Okay, but this I'm gonna put inside here, like this, and will be good to go. So I'll update you after that. Okay, so I've now tightened this, so now everything is very nice. Now it's time to put on all the piping. So I have all the silicone couplers here, and one pipe, the other pipe is inside, which I'm gonna get after, because it's raining. I don't want to like make everything too wet, so I'm taking a little bit of time. Also with the clamps and everything. Now it's time to remove that cloth and put everything back together. Okay, I've just put everything on here, the map sensor, this plug, and tightened everything here, so now everything is secure here. What's left now, it's only to put on this hard pipe and the filter, and it's good to go. And the test drive it's pretty rainy, I'll do it later, but yeah, I'm very excited. Let's go! Yes, the filter's on and it cleans up the engine bay so much more. And yeah, you'll now hear first startup. I haven't started the car yet, but I've tightened everything down. Okay, what timber was that? But anyways, let's go to sound check. It's first startup by... Actually, when I'm recording this, I haven't actually eaten in 8 hours. Not good, but we're rolling. It sounds nuts. Okay, now we'll cut to the test drive in later today or tomorrow. Bye. So, 2 weeks went by until I finally remembered to record the sound test. Did you even hear that? What the f— And if you jump forward another 3 weeks, I've now mastered the art of aura farming. What? When I'm recording this, I've tried for over 1 hour and 40 minutes just to get one turbo flutter. Worth it though. Girls, watch out for this guy. He's got a mad pipe. Okay, what am I talking about?